Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Justin. Today we're going to be back in the garage for a couple hours maybe. We're going to get the engine out, we're going to get the tires off, and we are going to get the rear swing arm disconnected as well. So the goal of today is just to get this down to the bare frame. Let's get started. Alright, so I just couldn't help myself. I had to take the header pipe out and the exhaust off. We've got a big gaping hole right there. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. We're not going to replace it. We're going to fix it ourselves. We'll go ahead and do that in one of the later videos. But I wanted to let you guys know what I did because taking us through step by step. And I couldn't help but take this off. So let's get moving on the rest of this disassembly. Cap. Get this cotter pin out. Gasket nut's coming off. It's messy. All right, on the rear diff, these are 12s. Oh, don't do that, you silly. There we go. All right, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Let's take the engine out first, and then we'll grab the wheels, and we'll grab the rear axle out, and we'll take that rear swing arm out. Got another little strap here, not a strap, just a clamp of sorts. I don't know if those are the factory ones or not, but let's make sure we keep it. So I think I've kind of painted myself into a corner. I'm going to go ahead and take this tire off over here in the back right. And then I'm going to lower this down, and we're going to lower this down. We're going to get the motor out, and then I'll go ahead and get the rear axle out, we'll get the rear diff off, etc. So, don't want to tip it over while I'm working on it, don't want to damage the motor. That's not what we want. These are just so rusted out, even these lugs. Wowzers. They are on there. Threads are just dirty as can be. There we go, that helps a little bit. There we go, now we won't have any big crashes. Let's go ahead, get the that is much better. Okay. Right tire coming off, potentially. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and get these engine mounts off. Got a 14 bolt and nut combo. These are crusty. These are not in the best shape. You can tell they've been worked on a little bit, a little rounded off. Good old battery pounder. Hey, Mooser. Let's grab these down here. 14s again. Wow, that's nuts. Crazy. Those things are tight, way too tight. There we go. Man, those are on there. Crazy. I'm not sure what the torque specs are on these, but they're too tight. Pretty sure of that. You see them right here? Lower brackets. A couple more on the back side. We're going to leave this bolt in. We'll leave one of them in. At least we'll leave both in there tight. Let's grab our cotter pin out of there. There we go. Castle nut is not going to be tight, or shouldn't be too tight on there. That'd be the wrong torque. Let's take this off and put it with the right wheel. And this should come off, potentially. Maybe not. All right, so right behind here you got 4 16s holding your brake drum on. These are coming off nice. Give it a couple love taps, don't be too hard on it. Oh, hey, maybe we could try taking those on, huh? That'd be a first start. My bad. Got a couple Phillips in there that don't look too promising. I can tell these are not going to be fun at all. That one's already trying to strip out. That's nice. We're going to have to heat those up. Put some WD-40 on them right now. And I think we're actually pulling out the whole axle here. Take this breather tube off. It's just not looking good. Oy vey, not good. I think that's just gonna auto magically get better.